Yeah, I'm directly starting with Prometheus because we have Helm is already installed in this environment. So I'm adding the can see Prometheus community has been added to the repositories. Then we need to update the repository. Yeah, you can see successfully got an update from the Prometheus community. Happy helming. Now we need to install the Prometheus. Yeah, it is successful, I think. Now this is for the custom definitions. You can also try this. Now we'll check if it is created or not. kubectl get pods fna. Where is Prometheus? Yeah, you can see in default namespace Prometheus has been installed. We'll check once. Yeah, all the deployments have been successfully installed. You can see they are running. Prometheus server is also running. You can also check the services kubectl get svc-a. Yeah, Prometheus services are also installed. Prometheus server is currently in cluster IP. Cluster IP means it can also now the service Prometheus server service is only able to communicate internally. Now we cannot directly access it. To access it from externally, we need to change its service type. You can either keep it node port or cluster IP. Node port or load balancer. Sorry. Now as it is a learning environment, we cannot keep it as a load balancer. So we can keep it node port. Yeah, let's keep it a node port. I also it is exposing the service Prometheus server type node port. Yeah, you can see the service is being exported. Get svc-a. You can see a new service is created. Instead of changing the same service, I have created a new service with node port. I can use it. You can also see the port 30164. Now we can access that port using the set feature provided here. As it is a custom port, we need to mention it 30164. 30164. You can access it. Now Prometheus dashboard is accessible to us externally. See how simple it is. Using simple 3 commands, we can able to create a dashboard. The Prometheus dashboard where you can also give custom queries to it, so that you can see it can fetch any data from the clusters. You can also set alarms. Okay, this is the endpoint. We have to give this endpoint to the Grafana. This endpoint will collect the metrics, and this endpoint will provide the metrics to the Grafana. As of now, our 50% part is completed. Now we will also start implementing Grafana. Okay, in the same way, using the same 3 types of commands, you can also install Grafana. Yeah, we have updated the repos. Okay, the Grafana is also been installed. You can check it. kubectl get pods fna. Okay, you can see Grafana is being created. still being created. You can also see services. You can see, just a minute, Grafana. It is also been cluster IP. Service type of the service is cluster IP. We need to change it to node port so that it can be accessible from the external, can be accessible from external. So let's do that. I'm also creating one more service to expose it. Before that, you should be see this one. Grafana is been running. Now we will export it. Sorry. Whenever you select something, it will get copied in this environment. Now you can see kubectl export service Grafana. We are creating one more service with the type of node port. Now created. Now you can check the services. Yeah, this has been created. You can see 32399. Three two and 399. See, you have created a dashboard. You have not written any code. You have not styled it. You have not designed it. It is an open source. You can use it. This is the help that is provided from the open source. As you can see, the username and password of the Grafana can be seen here. Just a minute. I think I didn't note it. No problem. We can fetch the username and password. Okay. We'll start implementing how to integrate Prometheus and Grafana. As of now, we have just created Prometheus dashboard and we have also created Grafana dashboard. You can see this is Grafana dashboard, this is Prometheus dashboard. Now we will integrate both of them.